Hello, design furniture family. White leather furniture adds elegance and sophistication to any room, but keeping it clean can be challenging. Today, we're showing you how to clean white leather furniture effectively in just 5 easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. First, let's gather the necessary supplies. Here's what you'll need. Soft white cloths, mild, pH-balanced soap, warm water, leather conditioner, soft bristle brush, vacuum with a brush attachment. Having these items ready will make the cleaning process smooth and efficient. Step 2. Vacuum and dust the furniture. Start by vacuuming your white leather furniture using a brush attachment to remove any loose dirt and dust. Be sure to get into all the crevices and seams. Follow up with a soft, dry cloth to wipe down the surface and remove any remaining dust particles. Step 3. Prepare your cleaning solution. Next, prepare your cleaning solution. Mix a few drops of mild pH-balanced soap with warm water in a bowl. Avoid using harsh chemicals or ammonia-based cleaners, as these can damage the leather. Step 4. Clean the leather dip. A soft white cloth into the cleaning solution and wring it out until it's damp, not wet. Gently wipe the leather in a circular motion, working on one section at a time. For stubborn spots, use a soft bristle brush to gently scrub the area. Avoid soaking the leather, as excessive moisture can cause damage. Step 5. Rinse, dry, and condition. After cleaning, dampen a new soft cloth with clean, warm water and wipe down the leather to remove any soap residue. Immediately dry the surface with a clean, dry cloth to prevent water spots and maintain the leather's natural finish. Once the leather is clean and dry, apply a small amount of leather conditioner to a soft cloth and gently rub it into the leather in a circular motion. Conditioning helps to keep the leather supple and prevents it from drying out and cracking. Allow the conditioner to absorb for a few hours, and there you have it. A complete guide to cleaning white leather furniture in 5 easy steps. With these simple steps, you can keep your white leather pieces looking beautiful and well-maintained for years to come. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips and tutorials from Design Furniture. See you next time. Thank you for watching.